Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, like, and let's get into it. So we're gonna make a donut in Blender, and I'm talking way fast. So first I want to do selecting the cube. This is what it should look like when you open Blender, and then select the cube, which is always there. X, delete, add, mesh, and you have to add something that looks like a donut. Oh yeah, I forgot. We're gonna make a donut. I didn't even say what we're gonna make. So we're gonna make a donut in 3D, okay? So not 2D. And I'm gonna make it. This is the first part of me making the donut. So torus, yeah, we got it. Add torus here. I have this. I'm on 2.9 version, so yeah. And first things first, it's way too big. So turn the size down to 0.05. 0.05. Should look like this. And then turn this down to, I don't know, 12. And then zoom in. Turn this to 12. Turn this all. Oh wait, no. Turn this to 12. 12. Zoom out. Do this until 5. 5. I think 5 is great. Yeah, 5. Okay, 5 is great. And if you zoom out, wait, what? It should look like this. Now select something else, like just select something else. And yeah, first things first, it's way too correct. I did something wrong. Okay, delete what I did. Add a torus. And go up. No. Change this to 18. Oh no, 12. What did I say 18? No, number of cuts. Number of cuts is 12. Three. Yeah. Okay, turn this to 6. This is 1. Now press something else. And it's gonna look like this. Yep, this is the one I'm gonna choose. So it should look like this. And as I say, it's too hard. So if you go to you're on object mode currently, go to edit mode, and it should look like this. Just tap something else, and then it'll look like this. And then select some piece of your donut, like you have these dots, select one of them here, and turn on proportional editing, and then press G to move on your keyboard, G, and then you can do this. It's just lifting your whole donut. And then if you scroll, I'm just pressing control. Okay, so I did this, and then scroll, go down, scroll, we'll do the thing. Control Z. Is it in the right angle? Okay. Select. Actually, this piece is. Okay. Select one piece of your donut. G, and don't move your mouse. G, scroll. Put your mouse a bit up. Scroll until you like the right shape. I like this. And then if you go to the Z-axis, there's a lot of shortcuts. First shortcut, if you want to change the axis, you just press this, Z. Second way, if you just hit number pad 7. Third way, you press Alt, and then you Alt, and then middle mouse and drag wherever you want. So if I drag up, you will go to the Z-axis. Yeah, that's the only shortcuts I know. So you should be on this. Select a piece of your donut. Select the piece of your donut, like I'm gonna choose here. And then if you G again on proportional editing, G, and then go here, put your mouse here, and go like, scroll up, and yeah, mine's gonna look like this. It is super weird donut. Yeah, that's what my donut's gonna look like. Yay! Okay, now to smooth this out, go to object mode, and selecting the torus, go to the wrench, spanner, whatever it's called, and then press subdivision surface, and then your donut will turn into this. And then right click the donut and then shade smooth, and there you go. It looks like that. And it's still sharp like here. So to make it more smooth on the edges, put this up. And it looks better. So I'm just gonna put it until 2, and I'm gonna rename the torus because, like, to keep things organized. Because, like, if you keep a torus and then you bring another torus, which I will do later, you'll get mixed up which is which. So after so if you want to rename this, double click. I double clicked, and then I'm on caps lock, D-O-N, donut. There you go. And now it's a donut. Yo, we're almost getting into it. It's way smooth. I'm getting hungry. Literally, I'm getting hungry. So after that, it looks more like a bagel though. So after that, we are going to make the icing. And if you want to make the icing, go to edit mode, really great, edit mode. And then if you want to make the icing, press this, and then press this button, X-ray mode, and then if you number pad 3, we'll actually go here. No, number pad 1. I want number pad 1. Number pad 3 again. Number pad 1. I don't know. Okay, just stick to number pad 3, and then drag like this until where your icing will, like, until this line, yes, until this green line. And what the heck did I just do? Okay, don't care about that. So that's what it should look like. And then Shift D. Got that. And don't press anything. Please don't press anything. if you press anything, it will just stay there and you'll be done. So press ESC on your keyboard or exit or something, and then middle mouse to zoom out of it. Go to object mode. And this. The same thing happened to me. Okay, start again. Go to that, do the same thing that we just did. I think we were on y-axis. No, number 3. Okay. And then drag over it again. Okay. Shift D, X, and before you do anything, P for penguin. Selection. There you go. Finally. Object mode. Do this. Whew. Now you have 2 separate objects. And first thing, you need to rename this. So double click it or F2, and then I'm gonna icing, name it icing, and it's the icing is too thin, way too thin. So we gotta make it not thin. You need to make it a bit thicker. So another modifier is solidify. If we turn on solidify, get this. And if you turn the offset all the way to 1, it'll look like this. Whoa, it'll look like this. And then if you turn the thickness to, I don't know what you want. No, that's way too thick. I actually don't know. Zero point 001. 0.0010. I don't know. Whoa. Looks like a giant. I don't know. 0.01. Okay. We need to make this a bit bigger. So if you S to scale, there you go. I just scaled until here. I don't know. It just looks good. I don't know about that. Wait, let me just go to. If you go to edit mode, it should look like this. Which is a bit. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. So, if we select this, like, the edges of the icing is still jagged. It's because it's putting subdivision first and the solidify second. So, we need to move this. We need to do the solidify first. So if there usually should be an arrow here, but for some reason, if your one isn't there, press this, move to first. Should look like this. Thickness up, put the thickness up. Keep it like this. Okay. And yeah. So, in the next video, we're gonna do the dribbling. Yeah, boy. Bye, bros.